been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go up.
So, we had to take it all back apart because we forgot to check if these were cleaned properly. So we got it all back apart, and now we're gonna check.
Gotta do it right, right?
Right.
We have a very sensitive guy
Whose name is Joel.
whose name is Jolt.
And the people don't know the story. Why?
Why? Why do we say
Because your
sensitive?
big mess, steel, stainless mess.
So, that's the story. Jolt was helping us get our masts out, and the stay came unzip tied and unbound from the mast, and it flipped back, and it got him right in the nipple like a whip. Like a whip. And then
I get
he
that.
got
I
very
say,
mad.
That is my grinder. I'm gonna cut this.
I come back with a grinder and I cut you. And ever since then, he is our very
And of
sensitive
course,
guy.
no record that.
Okay. All right. So we got
Something.
it's kind of a spacer, and it has the
Like oil grooves almost?
oil grooves, yeah. Okay, and this one, the oil grooves, this washer, and it's got
With a
the keyhole, and these grooves face and that one.
Do we have to put the key in now?
Camshaft.
Something. Camshaft something. On top of the camshaft something.
Spacers. Okay.
They slide in right. Good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they fit. They're fine.
What's the torque on these? We gotta check that out. Okay. One of our biggest goals this week, if not the biggest goal this week, was to clean up all of these parts and get them ready to reassemble. That means scraping off all the old seals, soaking them in a bunch of different kinds of solvents and cleaners and degreasers. We needed to get rid of the corrosion, the rust, the paint, try to get them back down to bare metal the best we could, and that involved scraping, brushing, scrubbing, soaking, doing anything and everything we could think of to get the parts back to the best condition we could get them back to. Man, that's working way better.
Yeah.
Jolt, you're a genius. This is what happens when you take all the rust off and the corrosion off of areas. Huh, babe?
Yeah, it falls apart.
Hey, the corrosion was all that was holding it together. Oh, gasoline.
Yeah, just I'm not 100% sure the gasoline is gonna take it. It's nice painted back now. You see that? We can reuse the whole bag.
No.
I think we use the water. What does the Kenny say? After the application, how you can clean it with clear water, or
Did not read it.
you have to read it.
I know. To read it. Gotta replace this. Neck. Expansion tank. Neck. Took the air filters off. Got them soaking. Trying to get all this paint off before I sandblast it, as much as I can off before we sandblast it.
So this one was like this.
What is that tool? It's like a snap ring.
I don't know what is that.
Nice. We got it.
It's very good.
Very
You
good.
make it tight, it's not gonna
out.
get loose. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Look this one.
Yeah, we're gonna replace that. We're gonna take this expansion tank off. Because Jolt says it needs a good cleaning and we've got the seal in the kit, right?
Yep.
So, it's on studs. Had what were those 1/2-inch nuts on studs. Oh, oh. I don't think water was getting through there, Jolt.
Nothing.
Nothing.
That's true here.
Stick this in here. Let this do some soaking. What is this? I don't know. Look at all that. What is all that?
The corrosion building nest.
It's just corrosion nest.
I don't know that the corrosion is in the nest.
Honda. Under the corrosion lies a thermostat and the seal. See the seal? Finding it, figuring it out. I'm gonna take this spacer out that goes right here to the thermostat and the expansion tank. What do you think? Ready to go?
Yeah, I think
Nice.
it's a little nasty inside too.
It's very nasty. I'm gonna have to clean that. What'd you find now? Did you get that? Does it just come right out? Just pop, or does it unscrew?
No,
Does it unscrew?
no, yeah, you're just lifting up, no thread.
Oh, I think we need a new one.
Oh, look inside the hole.
Oh, nasty. Oh. Still got thread showing inside there. Got the manifold off. Turn this up. Yeah, let me see the bottom. I had to take the manifold off the head yesterday at the machine shop because they're going to submerge the head to try to free up the valves, to try to free up the injectors. So while I've got the manifold off, I'm going to go ahead and take this exhaust elbow off and that other end off the manifold, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a really good clean all the way through the entire manifold. Got it off, might as well clean it. So we're gonna take another piece off. 4 more bolts. All of these are coming off the manifold and head. Ready? See that black stuff?
Yeah.
It's corrosion, watch. You got it? See all that come out of there?
Yeah, there's just a ton of garbage in there.
Yeah, all this. See all this? Big old chunk of rust coming out. Look. It's coming out, right?
So that's why the book told us to replace it.
Huh?
Guess that's why the book told us
See
to
the old
replace it.
seal?
Yeah.
This seal didn't come with the rebuild kit, the seals.
For the exhaust.
Yeah, it didn't, so we had to order this seal separately.
That's stupid.
But they had it in stock.
That's good
So-
at least.
So it's coming too. We had to order 2 of these because they're one on either side of the exhaust manifold. We popped the whole thing off because we got to get all this stuff out of all this rust build up. You got to get the whole seal off, the whole old seal. Otherwise, it won't. The new seal won't work. Right, you'll have
Holes in the
spaces and voids. Yeah. So you gotta get all that. See that? It doesn't look like much, but it's there.
Yeah. Oh, look at all that.
Okay, well, we got the oil pan, the exhaust manifold, exhaust elbow, air filters. That's the end of the exhaust manifold. That's a expansion tank spacer, pump. That's the head cover. Got some more serial numbers, it looks like, that are showing up, right? And that's our expansion tank, right? I mean, you should see, if if you could see the insides of these now. It's pretty significant difference in what we were able to work out of the inside of the manifold and obviously the inside of the elbow. Chunks of rust. Starting to look like something.
Please check out our blog and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.